52 renewable energy and solar stocks trading under 10 cents. Renewable Energy Solution Systems and Sunvault Energy Inc. So in this video, we'll begin with Renewable Energy Solution Systems, that is RESS. RESS has had a 52-week range of $0.0041 to $0.0429, and I think the last time it traded, it was trading at $0.02. So, which the last time was probably the 15th of January 2021. So it has a market cap of $3.4 million. 170.2 million shares are outstanding. So let's see what we have technically for RESS. It appears to be consolidating within a longer term uptrend. Okay, let's see. You can see the 200-day trend line is very brief, very short line there, very short curve. That's it there. That's the longer term trend line. So it says it is consolidating within that broader range, and shares are presently above 200-day moving average, which is rising along the 10-day moving average. However, the average directional index is below 20, indicating that shares have exhibited sideways movement recently. Comparative relative strength analysis shows that it is outperforming the S&P 500. Okay, so the next issue is momentum. Momentum for RESS, as measured by the 14-period slow stochastic oscillator, is waning. This means that investors are less aggressive in their recent purchases and may even be taking profits in positions but at lower prices. So you can see that this price rate of change is the best closest indicator of that momentum, and it is at 17.76, and its volume is also very just not overbought itself, but not underbought as well. So just right on the half mark of 54.6%. So the unbalanced volume indicator is bullish. The slope of the indicator is positive and suggests that buyers are presently more active than sellers. Presently, the Bollinger Bands for RESS have a normal width and signal that volatility has been in line with the norm for the stock. So, this obviously the stock is trading under 10 cents. Indicating that there's something about it. You know, it is not popular. It doesn't have enough funds and stuff like that. It is trading on the pink sheets. So you know, it is. We have not been able to get all the data that is involved with this company. But what is certain is that it is in the renewable energy space. It is definitely underfunded. It has not had great success financially, and has not been able to promote its business as well, has not been able to raise funds, stuff like that. That is probably why it is trading on the pink sheets. It's not as if that is the only reason why. You know, there are a few other companies that are prominent and really outstanding. Nestle, for instance, and Sony, they're all trading on the pink sheets or bulletin boards, the other mediums that are not the main exchanges. So this is not to say that only the stocks that are trading on the pink sheets and the bulletin boards are bankrupt or not exceptional. So we have some key data, some key stats here on CNBC. It says we have the market cap and shares outstanding, as we have indicated. They have price rate of change of 181.69%. You can see debt to equity is very high, 169.57%, or minus 169.57%. So, well, it's what would I say? The question is, would you want to buy the stock? Yes, I would say if you really want to buy it, don't risk a lot of money. Just put a small amount of money, nothing more than $100. This is to say that if you lose it, it's not really going to hurt you that much. So any day, anytime, if I'm ready, yes, I would definitely put nothing more than $100 in RESS and see how it goes there. But no, so the stock is definitely suffering from a lot of I wouldn't say short squeeze, because we don't exactly know if the stocks are shorted, but it's you can see there are very sharp spikes and very sharp pullbacks. Okay, and so that's basically what has been the picture for the stock. It rises sharply and declines sharply and all that stuff. So what is certain is that because it is trading at a very small amount of money as well, a small amount of money will move things, and that is why we, amongst other things, it has been performing that way. So on a given day, if people put in more than $3.4 million or something close to that, even $1 million, on trying to buy it, so the stock will definitely spike. And because it's a very risky stock, nobody knows anything much about it, even though it's currently in the renewable energy and solar space. People will jump in, and when they jump in, they do so with apprehension, and then they probably jump out as soon as they jump in. Hence some of the sort of spikes and the sharp declines we're seeing. All of these are gaps and pullbacks. Let's see if we can get anything here. They're so clustered together, we can't get much. So as you can see, this, for instance, happened in one session. So the other equity will be Sunvault Energy. Sunvault Energy is involved in solar panels and stuff like that. So it's in the semiconductors and semiconductor equipment. So it has a market cap of $5.8 million. 139.02 million shares are outstanding. Okay, and it doesn't have much of the sort of spikes and pullbacks and that the other stock had, the RESS. Okay, and then just like it as well, if you're going to do so, but don't risk a lot of money, and see how it goes there. I myself, I would definitely do so if I'm in the position, if I get to there, if I when things are settled, I would definitely put nothing more than $100 in the stock and see how it goes. If you lose it, it's not. There's only $100, and just put the money there and see how it goes. It may draw sympathy from all the other big names, all the other more prominent names, and indeed the other ones, all the other stocks, including Sun Hydrogen, they were at some point they were trading at even something below a cent, and they have been able to gradually trade up to 20 cents now, and from there, with who knows, things can change, and they can gradually begin to take advantage of any sort of price appreciations to raise more funds. That has been what all the other companies have been doing, including Tesla. So it looks dead. They all look dead. They all, they have this. Nobody knows anything about them that much. Nobody knows. There isn't not much details about their financials. But they are in the renewable and EV and the solar space, and of later we all know that they might benefit from the administration of Biden, so like I said, just don't put a lot of money there and see how it goes. Okay, So if you're new to this channel, subscribe, like and share if you're already a subscriber. Thank you very much for watching this video.